And there was a Ghana for no echo quapai, almost any other, especially almost Weija Mp constituency no more. Almost wofu. Didn't have hospital be a yes see amount cra and the Kufuado and you see that hospital no ya commission but abai no embassy obebi ama media they will say a neighbor aba Ministry of Health abekasa what the president about but on this statement by the Ghana for there be onya do ke kachire kra kwabra bi ta kan do onya do ke kachire omunko bi hospital no me wo hado mo as who host me bon tribune akire wa dwene e dia mame e wo comment section ayi penya block media me sra say any day mo obe like video na da wa subscribe button somebody click the notification icon of latest update abakire wa dwene mame e wo comment section oba so a no share for so enya bi ahwe ento ko Weija Mp constituency ni mu a there is a hospital, a very beautiful hospital I say yes see refurnished just say a nice and ultra modern hospital a children hospital Weija Mp. Now that hospital no a World Bank together with the government and the sea what I say is all they supporting the health facility in Weija constituency just a Weija the Weija land no they support a children hospital. Now that hospital it was commissioned in 2024 under Kufuado. You Emma Kufuado a pound to my Utrahu, a woman you say, Kidian say, a beer hospital, in fact, Uremua, be beer the Danaquem. Yes, it should be beer, interior, exterior, decoration, be beer on point. I did beer hospital here in order to kickstart Bian, a be woman. And I say, I got 2025 for your 12 my Kufuado Renea and give me beer 2025. But I was a top on fortune, Kufuado Lucy, and no coffee. It I can afford translating that hospital at least. Yeah, we it ye miano. Now you fa workers and go you will know more school mutifia as health practitioners. Omunya Juanya, Adabia, Omudia Nibre, and Reho, a common sem. But Ghana for now had the whole year of 2025. Hospital near Miano. It was in this 2026, you know. And once I heard there be a hospital near we. I will hold my air day. You better see what I now say. And the member of parliament for Weija Mp constituency, Honorable Jerry Ahmed, together with the constituent, Omukambo Yachere, Omko PM at the forecourt of the hospital. Emma Omko Yachere, Emma Yachere, no, when is 70 Biana Omo Eka.
That's the way that traffic will cross the workers are all children's hospital. And I am serious. Because no many, yes, Mama, yes, on an impending for, yes, I go from, yes, no, only a mobile,
meanwhile, there is a huge edifice, facility, see. Huge. Baby Ashim. So I keep asking, what is the reason why we are failing to commission this hospital? Is it because it was constructed by Akufo-Addo and then Baumia? Is it because it was constructed in the MPP's regime? Now, chief's compound, promises of Mobile Man for to me. No BS hospital, come. Say, money contractors na kasa. Move kasa. Now, what is happening? Why is the president and his team, this government, failing to commission this hospital? Why is the Minister of Health failing to commission this hospital? I've been here at least 4 or 5 times doing a lot of inspections, saying, the whole thing is complete. When you talk to the contractor, it's complete. When you talk to the minister, it's complete. And what is giving rise what's the reason for which we are not commissioning this hospital? Why? What is the problem? We don't care about our children. We just want our children to die because of politics. Why? What's the reason for the delay? The child can easily access this hospital. And yet say it's just a hospital. It's a specialist hospital with all the requisite facilities in there. I'm telling you, it has a mother's hostel. And to right there, the emergency has a theater. And it has 2 other theaters apart from the emergency theater. And it has 120 bed capacity. Are they? What is happening? Must everything be political? What is the delay? What's the reason for all this delay? Me say, and you say me baze oh yeah me obi wo de akwohwe. Baby a me call no kra. Nipa na me ko stra no kra. Oti cheso. And I am man oxygen. Eh? So I come and visit someone and I hear this noise and the reason is that this hospital has still not been commissioned. On the 12th of March, I have a message from the Ministry of Health. Say, oh, in a week time or in a week's time, they were coming to commission it. I know that be. I know that be. Are they Weija Mp before then what is happening to us? So if you are even thinking of punishing Jerry or Aya Mama or any other person, what about the children? Are you not thinking of the children? And I the baby in why? What's happening to us? Oh, please.
Na yɛkyerɛ no ana Ministry of Health ɛde krataa ba abɔntene a wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ deɛ nti a yɛmi hospital na no sɛ muhu sɛ adila a deɛ nti a adile wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ 1. The hospital is a World Bank funded project which commenced in 2023 and was expected to be completed in December 2025. Just wɔn kyerɛ sɛ deɛ nti a yɛmi hospital na no wɔn sɛ 1 hospital no World Bank for World Bank ɛna finance yɛ ɛna disika ba sɛ yɛmfa that hospital no 2023 na the hospital according to World Bank no World Bank ka sɛ ɔmo for 2 years ɛna nsi menim so obi ma wo adwuma no asa ka to number of days afasi ɛfa yɛ adewe dia menim but kwabra minta kando ɛka kyerɛ sɛ World Bank ɛka sɛ hospital ɔmo started in 2023 na ɔmo nkɔ wie no December 2025 ɛnu 1 yɛnyam ya no 2 ɔkyerɛ sɛ however in 2024 the World Bank raised concerns about misprocurement which included inflated cost of medical equipment up to about 11 times the actual price. Current account say in 2024 no World Bank ede ensem bi ba no kyerɛ sɛ an enema na build na omu esi ya no kyerɛ sɛ omu hwɛ cost ya ekomu a eboro so para sɛ eboro so kyerɛ sɛ ade akra bi ana ne bo pane we na ebia na ade we ni bo ye 2 cedi kra da omu ne ba ye no ne bo na be 100 cedis kyerɛ sɛ eboro so para sɛ eboro so enu ntina yenya emia no. As a result, the World Bank declined to settle all the outstanding payment. Next, we tell them say, "Okay, we need to 1. No, so hospital no. You start 2023, ABN 2024, ABN no 2025, but you starting 2023, ABA 2024, and your first offense, second offense. Just say, never ne bono, bono dene. Into no nina come into the World Bank and fasika arma. See, World Bank and fasika arma." Recognizing the importance of the project, the Ministry of Health engaged relevant stakeholders and was prepared to commission the facility for use. However, the contractor subsequently halted this process, insisting that all outstanding issues be fully resolved before granting access to the hospital. So, Chirem said, contractor now didn't seek a seat dining in area. No. Contractor demanding the payment, and yes, sir. Oma omu emiano na yede adwuma contractor si dan nyina awi robaji sika sese minti bida because contractor there oye o start duru baabi oye about 50% percentage abaya no obaji hu sika ansa no ato aso contractor bia ni ho a wa be share ni project a onu adu sika be start A to Z so wi obaji sika mi hu minti bida debi o start oduru baabi no obaji sika no asabe to aso but kwabra minta kan no ka kire say contractor no won no di sika siri nyina awie into demand payment na contractor demand payment a then na kufa the air commission no eco bubo ho decoration air commission ya no where was the contractor why me make demand say you track and me commission where was the contractor I don't get it contractor na ahwe ayenhwe ha ma ya commission awie and your commission you just say you be okay you be bia no contractor have your commission wa me make demand say you ntuaneka say not just say or chirem say afraid you know or they are putting things in order to ensure say you be a hospital I mean we say crata crowd for about mo chire say you be hospital in 2 weeks. Now for all this one, you be adding 2025, your commission 2024. Etwa ho ntoma. The year 2025 really now, then this government e wo ho ye de. 2025 na concern eba fail na more consulting stick. I don't get it. Now in contractor be this ka be bibia, obesi de bibia wie. No one you nisika. Why the be say contractor be. Ana obetwe wo se obehwe wo se brabe commission project a wuntu aka. Wuntu aka say enya wo dia brabe commission. Why the be say adwuma. Na eno ana comedian say the Ghana for say there be. And some corrupt account or air cam. Cattle not buy and toss mu, catawin and toss mu into no. Or moon come up in fact hospital no. Or mummy Emma Ghana for.
Ebusia for church will be an opanopa. Ebusia and my temperature is rising. Like Mp for mudi animu Ghana hatino. Eya bro any bay na mo pesa mo boy intime mu phone na say mentiasie. Mo pesa mo buye na mo bre yesu anansa den. You people, you empenifa mo di yesu ministers. Mo no mo yare a. Ye fly mo free Ghana had mo to play mu. E cha mo man ni taxi sika. E the wu minister now he say biyen ya to Obama president na ono ama 2 mini kakra no. Ne de ba ko abrochire ne akoshew. Bosome so ani ama allowances within the taxes of Ghanaians no. Na me bisa wo ye no an say na amben ebusiafo. This is a whole children's hospital sited at Weija ebusiafo. NPP time na do danko Akufo-Addo ne vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia omo dwe nkwala ahunti omo di free SHS baye omo dwe nkwala ahunti no. They built this ultra-modern hospital 120 bed capacity. Ebe fankola ebusiafo munhwe video na echegu no. You could see an ambulance, you could see a playing ground for children, you could see a surgical room. I'm betting your operation. I think say MRI machine crash fancy. Oh ebusiafo, the NDC as a government is telling Ghanaians they have not seen this ultra-modern hospital. It was commissioned by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Likely Nana Addo and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia left office until this hospital was not operating. NDC former Barbem. This is exactly 1 year, 3 months in office. Minister of Health, are you telling Ghanaians say hospital nana? Meanwhile, nurses are seated in the house in their houses or munya. If this hospital is being opened now, it could occupy nurses and doctors by 100 plus no. The government is telling us that Omuniska to open this hospital area. But the government has been able to spend 44 billion just like that. Hey, Rade, Yampeni for na brobe na mobo yesano. Minister of Health, Mintan Kando, are you working or you are sleeping? Are you slacking? Hey, na mo penny for no position in your demama na mutrima ya modana say a dream be sebi any mutrim. Ebusiafo, what better a whole hospital like yes ye what the ani say biano na fanesis na chiom kano munya adwuma. Ghana open ayi children's hospital kraji kolebu na obi agye oman ne ho adwe nkola ho. Ai abusiafo
Shadaya esi ho pediatric unit ya e wose abuama enkwada empomode ho sam etumi kwananim hwe over 90% complete. Oraminta kando baye light wave na nani di akire ne hu hia say ye data and omo cancel contract agenda 111 MPP for baye omo hyase wotumi ba be kire dodo amu betumi complete asa na mo afiri aban mu enti wonimu yiye pa se children's hospital bi wo Weija gbawe any say World Bank and a procurement de ben brofo akase e de hu press release aba Ghana for the press release e yedai ni ye Ghana for ne say problem aba na mo be solve problem no enti susu papa say Weija gbawe mutemamufo wo mani ambre anti ntesukoko And say children's hospital be honum. It will more share quite say, a buy a babetnas with baby anoa, a kayatawasa, I am wasam. Yet it was a buy a tisway and famosa. And 18 a light to a contract and which be true, Mumma for me about say. Agenda 111 a previous government the chance here, which me ever inform me about the update. And when I saw mamma, because Muni must say, previous government the bay no way we. And Tia na children's hospital Weija Mp. Near to Betna Siyasha, Haina Ghana. Sa a dispensation a woman, 21st century a woman, what rank or Dani in Penifon will be in a dark words a hot war. What was children's hospital to say, near to me and neglected, all in the name of politics. Now with the crowd abam so the country Ghana for say, World Bank for and a boy waka. And a World Bank for pension, Muna Diano, Muguswa Ebe Dimujuman in Yakaway, a 120 bed Weija Children's Hospital. I want Kahanu say. Anka nipa dodo anka basum wo mokra no anka nya asem ketwa ye children's hospital e wa akra ha free ho se ne meka akolebu teaching hospital yi range hospital kwa wo benya baabi ama wo bada trust mother and child hospital ye ba sa mother and child hospital ya enam so a ababawa ehwere yi ne nkwa ne bashre ne nkwa eni cases a esie wo ho a ne yenim ni ne yenim ne yate ne ne yente ye nyina Ghana yesi ye nhwe nyansa eti politics na be ye bayiye politics abeye bayiye se obi ya ade na wo firi so na wo so obi ba no ba beto aso a ye ndwe ntimamufo ho ye ndwe ye mpomode ho sem ho na kankwala nkwa e ya ade a wo se ade ya politics ana enkwala nkwa e ya ade a wo se ye politicize na mo de adru ba bi na mo yare a na mo afro plane na mo kwa mo no ne na mo kwaja yare hwe wo ho shekrata health ministry ne de ba mo tene so operationalization of the Weija Pediatric Hospital and at the Ministry of Health de ben asamito for bomweni or say World Bank for a funding project no project ne shall 2023 and no mo hwe kwan say omo be wie December 2025. Nemo no in 2024 no World Bank for raise concern bi say misprocurement bi akoso which means say what say ehwehwemu tumi koso ema eka anase sika wo mo de bo sa dwumadie ne ho bra no ase amanfo mu bi edi sika ni bi aka ho eti o ma inflate cost no to the extent say medical equipment ahodo ene niam ahodo eka ho a e wo say ka etumi buama hospital ni gina ne na so no amanfo times 6 sika no by 11 ene a kire eti e ma sika ne kosro aside no World Bank for decline say enya ade a omo be settle outstanding payment bia which means say baby a World Bank for share free ye eni baby a World Bank for any bo mo ho so say sika no amafo inflate cost ne kwasoro eto mutumi amwa biom no aka nsensan mu eni ji no project no enfoso de waso ne say Ministry of Health no eni amafo mo anodu bunu mu o ka ho bie ehia na wo ma hwe kwan wo betumi afaso no ma solve issue no etu omo se Ghana fo nyina abo se ye nyina ye mo ye homodin na ye ntwen na ministry no be engage with stakeholders no ma hwe no ma resolve issue no na aboa ma Ghana fo ye ho ahaye na ministry no acknowledge say where critical importance at the man hospital no ese Ghana healthcare delivery system no ebetumi akonanim yaka we ye wie ena ye dia desre dia to Weija Mp emutimamufo anim ese womunya abotre na womu bebo moden na fe no hospital no mama na ya adwuma nti yemmo yansam Emma Ministry of Health yemmo yansam sei Emma Ministry of Health say yete ya no se ne egu ye hwani maseye na yete ya ne ye de apomode ho sam ye politics yete ya se ne ndwene timamufo ho yete ya sei na ye bu nu egu ya so motimamufo ho ne ye pretend to say bibia ya okay. So World Bank for to me aboa peja ade we adum pempen so ya apiani ye ne anum na case se be ba bibi omo frefre nkrofo ye ne na mo cheche nkrofo na say a PDS scandal ye se mo ache nkrofo ye te hanum say buffer stock eyi ehwehwemu na ade ekoso ye te ha ye te ye national de bay bureau of I say National Signals Bureau said ye And also almost some buy a do boy and then a man for the same thing. Enti aden ye di bibia ye politics na ye pese ye beka no kratre Ghana for na ye gu ye nwani maso wasa akwane so. Ministry of Health come again. Mumre biom na mo sam amuke eye toro no kura bi anim. Baby ade we doing over 90% completer e kan kwada betumi akwaje ayarehwe wo ho. Na nya politics amoye mane ye tan. Na politics nti menua enete so nti bi no me fa ne ho baby o ma ye dri mo neglect. Mo accepting good faith na ne ehia no mo nye na ye nkwa ye nim so o man.
Chira wadwe mfama me e wo comment section. Hi PENYAH Media. Accra.